Hello! Today we're going to be making hot chocolate. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need cacao powder, sugar, milk, hot water. Let's get started! First, we have to add 3 tablespoons of cacao powder into the pot and 3 tablespoons of sugar into the pot, and then mix it all together. Mix until there's no small balls. Next, we have to add the hot water into the pot. Just a little bit. When the hot water is in the pot, you can mix it. Mama! Add the milk into the pot. Mix it and turn off the stove to a shimmering gas. Wait until it's hot and nice and enjoy. It's time to try it! It smells so chocolatey. And